Good morning, stock traders. This is the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today we're doing a video chart analysis on Inception Mining Inc. That's ticker symbol IMII, trading on the OTCBB. And there's a lot of fine points to point out on this chart. Let's talk about support, resistance, and some of the other indicators that are setting up here. This is what we usually cover when we're going over a video chart. So going back earlier this year, you can see January, February, this stock was very thinly traded and it was down in the 50, 60 cent range back there. Didn't really trade much volume back then. Had a nice little move up all the way to the $1.20. So 100% move earlier this year. Had a consolidation and found support right around 75 cents. And then had another nice run back to that $1.20 mark. And real recently we had another pullback to that 85 cent area, which seems to be our solid level of support. So you can see these candles right here, the lows on these candles came down to this 85 cent range, and there's been some nice bounces off of that 85 cent range. So as far as a level of support, we want to see 85 cents hold as our level of support. We also have some support at 95 cents. That's our 200-day moving average. And yesterday, the stock got back above the 200-day moving average. And for a second there, we poked our head above the 50-day moving average. And that's going to be our key level of resistance currently at $1.04. Looking at the RSI, we got the RSI coming off of being oversold. And it's starting to point north. Looks like it's ready to get through the 50 line. We always like to see the RSI get above the 50 line. That shows strength in the stock. Notice back here when the RSI came down below the 50 line, we got back above it and the stock moved and it showed some strength. Recently we've had a real pickup in volume, so there's been some increased accumulation underway. And we got the MACD getting ready for a bullish cross. You got these lines converging. Once we see these lines cross, that's going to be a really good sign. So we like the setup here on IMII. These guys are in the mining sector. Recently we've seen a pickup in gold and silver. So that'll be extra fuel for the fire for Inception Mining. We definitely want to keep this one on a long-term watch list. That's IMII. And be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com for updates on IMII. And if you're not already signed up for our email alerts, be sure to get signed up because it's free and you're missing out if you're not on our email list. Thanks for tuning in and good luck out there, traders. Stock Sumo signing out.